BB and the concrete mixer. This is concrete mixer. It's got a big revolving drum right in the middle. It revolves because it mixes concrete. Oh no, what's that? The drum just stopped. We must do something about it. Should we ask BB for help? Well, of course, to BBs Workshop.
BBs Workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BB's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BB's fixes all these orders.
Hey there! What happened?
And so the concrete mixer told BB what went wrong.
Oh no! Whoa-oh! We must hurry! If we don't fix you now, the cement will stuck! Well. What's the problem?
The problem was serious and BB didn't know what to do right away.
But of course! How could I forget about the revolver? It got clogged and broke! Don't worry! We'll fix it up super fast!
Looks like you got cement stuck inside the revolver. Let's break it, you guys. Hey, we need your help. What should we use, BB? The baseball bat?
No way! We're not playing baseball, are we?
How about an axe?
You wanna chop wood or something? No, axe won't do. Alright! Hammer and chisel, that's what we need. So, let's do it!
And so BB did the job. Let's see if it works now.
Phew! That wasn't easy, I can tell you that. Now it's gonna work.
Whoops. That was the warning signal. Looks like cement is getting stuck there. What do we do?
No worries. All we gotta do is soften the mixture. So we'll just add a little bit of water. Let's find it. This isn't water. This is glue.
How about this?
Oh, you mean juice? Really? I think we'd better drink it. It's yummy. All right. We found it.
You did great, guys.
That's all. You can go now.
And so the concrete mixer got back to work. Now that it's fixed, it can keep on working and building. How lovely! Thanks, BB.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BB team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.